Some of you are high achievers who look like you're holding it together. But privately, something came undone. You worked hard, you have earned things, you have carried family responsibilities and goals and expectation, but life still found a way to interrupt the plan. Tonight is not just a conversation about failure, it's about identity, it's about discipline, it's about purpose, and what it means to rebuild when the version of you that used to make sense no longer fits. If you stay with us, you may leave with a new way to see the setback, not as proof that you're finished, but as a place where the comeback can begin. No pressure. Stay with us, all right? You're tapped into the Breakthrough Bunker where we don't avoid pressure. We learn how to grow through it. I'm your host, Murph, a.k.a. Mr. Motivation. Flat out excited to be here. And this space is for people carrying real responsibility, the fathers trying to lead while still becoming, the students and young adults fighting to find purpose, the leaders, educators, and entrepreneurs building through pressure, the high achievers learning that failure does not have to be a period. Sometimes it becomes a comma. Whether you're here live or catching a replay, you're right where you're supposed to be. Tonight's conversation matters because a lot of people know how to chase success, but far fewer know how to rebuild when success does not protect them from the failures, the loss, the disappointments, change. Our guest studies the science of the comeback. He's a performance scientist, professor, author, coach, and host of Becoming Undone. His work sits at the intersection of identity, discipline, purpose, and rebuilding after life comes undone. They're fathers, students, leaders, and entrepreneurs, and people in transition watching tonight who need to know that a setback does not have to be the final sentence. If you have ever wondered how to rise after unraveling, I need you to lean in tonight. Lean in. Let's bring them out. We got Dr. Toby Brooks coming out to the stage. Come on, big homie. What up?
Hey, thanks for having me, Murph. This is awesome. I appreciate it.
Appreciate you. Yo, my dude is just too cool, man. He got the background. Oh, gee. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, let's dive in. I'm really excited. I took some time. I've been had some travels, summer, kids out of school. So having you on is the honor, brother. Tell the people, how are we connected? How do we connect?
Yeah, so I had you on my show and was blown away by your story. Just so many aspects of what you have been through and overcome and rebuilt and, big pivots and success. And let's be honest. I mean, we all have failure in our paths.
Right.
And that was, it was evident that you didn't let that failure be final. And it was just a setup for a comeback. And so I really appreciated having you on. And I really, really sincerely appreciate the chance to return a favor.
Oh, man. Love it. Look, listen, let me tell you something. I've been on a lot of podcasts. I got Tim in the back. He know. Dr. Brooks, my man Toby, after our show, I get this mail, and I'm like kind of bad with mail. Like my mail kind of sits there, and then I'm like a mail clerk. I'll go through, 2 weeks worth of mail, which is horrible, y'all. I need a mail handler at the house. But I get this package, and I ain't open. It's like this box. What the hell is this? I open this thing. Let me tell you. Listen, this dude is too cool. He sends this frame joint, Becoming Undone, Mr. Motivator, note. I said, I got to step my game up. My thought is not good enough. So listen, I haven't responded, but I was like just waiting for us to connect so I could do it live and just give you flowers for super thoughtful, man. I deeply appreciate it. That joint, like it hangs up. They're coming up. That's one of my dopest podcasts I've been on. That's my G. So I'm always talking about you. So thank you, brother. Thank you.
I appreciate that. Yeah, you're far too kind.
Yo, so listen, how did you even get into this podcast? Like, what made you start it?
Well, you can probably relate. Every podcaster I talked to started, 2 or 3 years after they had the idea. And it just kind of sits there and it marinates and it kind of festers. And eventually the fear of not being perfect was overcome by the desire to start. And I think that's a critical thing for a lot of people when they're looking at pivots, when life isn't maybe shaking out the way they thought, the career isn't what they wanted, or maybe even the major isn't what they were after. At some point, you have to just be honest with yourself and realize, like, it's better to move imperfectly forward than to be perfect and stand still.